Hi guys, Retro Django here. In today's video we're gonna look at another Commodore product. I love Commodore because of the Commodore Amiga, Commodore 64, my first computer. We have an Amiga running in the background, running a demo. But in today's video we're gonna take a look at this beauty. Now I have owned this computer for about 4 years. Never turned it on, never looked at it, never investigated anything other than how cool it is. I mean, it's not cleaned, it's nothing yet. This is part 1, we're gonna clean it on part 2, check it in part 3, but look at this guys, a Commodore laptop computer. I know nothing about it, we're gonna investigate everything together with a Commodore power charger, power LED, charge LED. Output 16 volt, 1.5 amps. It has got a fuse. It's from January 1991. So it's some old stuff, guys. Let's just... Okay, you can turn these. I don't know what this is. This is some sort of lock. This is a reset button. This is a floppy drive. This is a... Oh! Parallel, serial, and what is this? RGB, VGA out. We have got some spider web, but not rust, that's nice. So it looks okay. So let's go ahead here. We have got something here. We have got the power connector. We have on and off switch. We have something here, cooling here, and another lock here. It's opened. And we have, what is this? Yeah, beautiful battery here. Nice stuff. Let's open this up and take a quick look inside how it looks. Ah, beautiful stuff, guys. It's called, oh, sorry. It's called C286-LT. Let's just get some more info about this, guys. Commodore C286-LT. There we go. So let's see, we have got one just here. And something's wrong with my net. Oh, I should just clear it the proper way. Okay, I'm just looking out for some more info. Yeah, it's the same as this one. Alright, so where's the info about this? Used. There we go. Commodore C286-LT. Processor, it's a 286, yeah, the name tells it. Oh, I was after the megahertz, but nothing is here. Memory, 640 kilobytes. This display, 9.75 inch monochrome display, guys. Yeah, okay, so we know nothing about the This one cost €1,000, guys. €1,000 for this old computer. That's... yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this one some power and see if it works. Oh. Okay, boom test. It says power here. Can you see it? Yes, you can. The power is lit, so the PSU works. And let me see over here. And now it says charging. Nice. Now this is the boom test, guys. We're gonna turn it on for the first time. And it's right here. 3, 2, 1. I'm just gonna be ready to turn it off if it says boom and it smokes, so let's just see what's gonna happen. I can hear the hard disk spinning. It says HDD blinked. Oh, something more's blinking. FDD, that must be the floppy drive it's checking. And nothing. Oh. Oh! Wait. Oh! Okay, so I can turn down here. Oh, I have to adjust the camera just a bit. All right. So I can turn here. Oh, that's nice. And the other one here. Oh, that's the brightness. Beautiful! It works! Commodore C286-LT. Phoenix BIOS ROM, and we have got 640k base memory, 384k extended memory. Of course, we have got BIOS trouble. What does it say? Run setup F2. Does the keyboard work? I don't know. We have got clock chip power loss. Date. Oh, there we go. Oh man, this is beautiful. It works. That's nice. Disk drive 525. No, it's 3.5. It's probably 720. I don't know. Hard disk type. Oh, this is really old. So I have to open the computer and take a look inside because I don't know how many cylinders, heads, and size. Did it say anything on eBay? I didn't check it, man. 20 megabyte, 30. I don't know. Yeah. Let's just leave it here. Let me see here. Base memory, extended memory, memory relocation, enabled, CPU speed fast. Beep, parallel, serial, power saving, backlight, modem power. Alright, and let's F11, save settings and reboot. If this is the correct one, type 2 hard disk, 20 megabyte, I don't know. Let me see, what was the other 20 megabytes? I'm just gonna see. Oh, there's another 20 here. Another 20 here. I don't know, man. Should we just take type 1? 10 megabyte? Don't know, man. Let's leave it at that. And F11. Let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, so I hope it's the correct hard disk. That could be nice. Let me see here. It finds the RAM here and the extended memory here. Copyright Series Logic. That must be the graphic card, I think. Award software BIOS 1988. Invalid configuration, hard disk failure. It wasn't the proper hard disk. Yeah. All right. Let's just find out about the battery first here. Well, let me see. 3 screws. Or wait, maybe. How was this? It was like this. Because I saw, yeah, here. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's dusty, but... Oh, guys, in part 2, we're gonna clean this. What is this? Do we have to... Oh. Oh, nice. Please, no battery acid, come on. Oh, how beautiful is this? How lucky can I be, man? Look at this. Oh, it has just got a plug there, so I can just take this battery out and replace it with another one. No battery acid, no damage, no nothing. How amazing is this? So this one will keep the time and hard disk information and all sort of stuff. I will start cleaning this beautiful computer because, as you can see, it's an expensive computer because it's Commodore. If it was something else, I don't think it will cost, $1,000. But how cool is this, man? Let's just plug it in again and just look at this beauty down here. Look at this. Oh, beautiful stuff. I like it, man. Okay, so let me just oh, it's beautiful. Wow, let me see the picture on the camera. It doesn't look good on the camera, and it flickers, as I can see on the cam. But in real deal, no flickering, no nothing. It's beautiful picture. It has just got a lot of dust on it, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm so happy that it boots, that it works. I mean, I'm surprised, and no battery damage, and the PSU also works. How cool is this? Guys, thank you for watching this video with this Commodore C286-LT. I hope you will subscribe and join me on part 2. That could be fun. And to my Patreon supporters, I love you guys. I wish you all a great day out there. Retro Django is gonna enter BIOS. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye. Oh, Amiga. Oh, I love this. Bye.